Today I have a super easy dinner recipe for you guys the whole family will love. We're making keto low carb sloppy joes. This recipe is an easy 30-minute meal. The keto hamburger buns only take 5 minutes of prep time, and then you can stick them in the oven while the filling cooks, and the filling only takes 25 minutes from start to finish. To get my keto hamburger bun recipe, I will have a link to it in the description below and over my shoulder here. And if you're on a mobile device, all you have to do is click the name of the recipe for the description to show up. So for the filling, all we're going to do is we're going to add some oil or butter to a large skillet, and we're going to brown 2 pounds of beef over medium-high heat, breaking it up with a wooden spoon as it cooks. Now that the beef is nicely browned, you can drain off the fat if you want, and then we're just going to add 1 chopped green bell pepper, and we're going to cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes or until the bell pepper is soft. Now we'll just add the rest of the ingredients. We have chili powder, garlic and onion powder, tomato paste, dried mustard, some sugar-free ketchup. I'm just using Heinz reduced sugar ketchup, salt and pepper, a drizzle of Worcestershire sauce. This is optional, but I really like it because it adds an additional depth of flavor, and some keto brown sweetener. But this can be omitted if you prefer your sloppy joe mix more savory. And last but not least, we're going to add some water, and then we're going to stir this up really well, bring it to a boil, and then let it simmer for about 15 minutes, and then it will be good to go. Once the filling is done simmering, it is ready to scoop into the hamburger buns, and dinner is ready. And this keto sloppy joe mix, it's also great for meal prep, and it's freezer friendly. You can make big batches of it and then stick it in the fridge till you're ready to eat. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy the recipe. And if you liked this video, show me some love and hit that like button and notification bell below.